Welcome to our state-of-the-art milk processing facility. Today we'll show you exactly how fresh farm milk transforms into the
Did you check the water troughs?
Yes, they are all full. The animals are ready.
There we go, nice and healthy.
You are doing very well, my friend.
This is a good harvest today.
Yes, the tractor is almost full already.
Higher on the left side.
Is this enough?
Yes, pull the rope now.
Safety check complete. The motor is running smoothly.
The basket is ready. We can start feeding the grass.
Basket's full, move it out.
Got the tub ready, slide it in.
Keep them coming, the animals are waiting.
This batch is perfect. The chopping size is exactly right.
Agreed. We have enough for the morning feed. Let's get this to them. There, easy now. Good food for a good cow.
This one is producing well today.
Yes, the flow rate is steady. Check the somatic cell count on that display. This one is almost full. Send the next line to drum 4.
Got it? Shifting the flow now.
We have a solid 48 here, 80% capacity.
Perfect. Data logged. Moving to the next one.
Seals are good on all 10. Manifest matches.
Ready for transport. The driver just arrived.
Ready?
Lift on 3.
1, 2, 3, up.
42, 43.
Secured. 44, temperature check initiated. Good to go.
Credentials verified and temperature log is optimal. Here is your entry pass. Proceed to the unloading dock.
Hygiene check complete. You are approved for the production zone.
All right, keep it coming back slowly. Watch the sensors. Perfect, hold it right there. Scuff mark here. The seal is good though.
Verified. Proceed with opening.
Looks good. No adulteration detected.
Confirmed.
4.8 degrees Celsius. Logging complete.
Powerful pumps circulate hot cleaning solution through every section of the milk transfer pipeline and into the storage tank.
Review complete. The cycle passed all checks, less than 10 RLU, certified ready for the next batch.
The pressure differential on stage 2 is rising. Here.
Let's keep an eye on it, but the flow rate is stable for now.
Purity. Milk passes through multiple filter stages in sequence. The first coarse filter captures large debris. A microscopic view reveals the filtration membrane's incredible effectiveness as they capture and hold particles too small.
HTST at 72 degrees Celsius. Holding for 15 seconds.
Parameters confirmed. System is stable.
After reaching 72 degrees Celsius, milk flows through a precisely calibrated holding tube where it maintains this critical...
Check the final verification data here.
Looks good. All parameters are within spec.
The first cleaning phase begins with hot water at 70 degrees Celsius, rushing through all milk pipelines at
8 RLU. Confirmed clean. Logging the results now.
Pressure holding steady at 2500 psi.
Confirmed. System is ready for flow.
The homogenization process was highly effective. Look at the stability test.
It is perfect. The data is approved.
The particle analysis looks good. Globules are uniform.
Confirmed. Viscosity and color are also within spec.
Perfect. Clear for transfer to the silos.
The final storage tanks feature sophisticated cooling jackets built into their walls, channels where refrigerated glycol...
We should prioritize batch 3B in tank 5. It's the oldest.
Agreed. And schedule the CIP for tank 8 tonight to maintain the flow.
The volumetric fill is holding steady at 99.8% accuracy. Sensor 3 just diverted an overfill.
Placed caps pass under automated capping heads featuring magnetic or friction clutches precisely calibrated to apply correct tightening torque.
Every capped bottle passed through rigorous seal integrity verification systems.
Ah, here's one. The label is skewed. Reject.
Zone 4 is fluctuating.
Rerouting coolant now. Check the sensor logs.
Check manifest 8872A.
Quantity confirmed. Sending to Dock 3.
We need that pallet for Route 4 immediately.
Moving it now, status updated.
Manifest confirms Route 42. All pallets accounted for.
All right, seal it up.
Everything loaded correctly on this manifest?
Yes, just finalizing the electronic proof of loading now.
Great. The GPS tracking is active once you pull out.
$40 cases here on the manifest.
And the temperature logger shows 3 Celsius.
Looks good. Go ahead and move it in.